Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. Today we have 2018 Toyota Camry. We need to service the rear brake, replace the brake pad, and there is a procedure that we must do it in order for us to replace the brake, which you have to put the brake, electrical parking brake, into a service mode. So together, let's see what happened. We are trying to use first, this is the car, and the rear brake is here. I'm here, my brother. Here is the rear brakes, and it have electrical parking brake motor there. So we need to release that one to put it into a service mode to be able to push the piston, the caliper back to take the brake pad out. This is the car as you see it here from the front. 2018, 2019, 2020, maybe almost the same. Okay, let's go now to see what option we have. I'm gonna try to use the tools as usual. We use it for doing Mitsubishi, BMW, Mercedes, but maybe Toyota have a different option. Okay, I'm using Maxi 6 Ultra, and ignition is on. I will go to the car, Toyota, Scion, Lexus, they are the same. I want to go stand alone, so let's go together. Here is the VIN number. I will say okay. North American car, TMMK, Radar Cruise with the smart key. I will say okay. This is the information of the car. Do we need to use the tools or no? That's my concern now. I'm gonna communicate with the car. There is a two-way. Manual way, you use the car button itself, the switch itself to do it. We're gonna do that, and we try to see if we have a different way, like by the service. You see here, the system here as you see, and now electrical parking brake. Supposed to be somewhere here. It could be inside the ABS. Who knows? I'm not sure where it's related. So let me go to ABS, open ABS, and see if it is inside control unit. ABS, that's okay. Special trouble code, no. Special function. Left front speed sensor, circuit, right speed sensor. This is not our. I'm gonna clear the codes, but I'm gonna go to special function again to see if I have that function here or not. Inspection mode, what that mean, I don't know. No, it's not here. It look like electrical parking brake supposed to have its own. I'm not sure where I'm gonna look for it. Let me go to control unit from here. Okay, it's not there. It's not there. Yeah, it's a EP electrical parking brake. It's inside here. We say okay. But do you have anything here? I don't see anything. No, we don't have it here. So let me go back. I want to go back more. Escape. Service. You want to do it by VIN? Just look for Toyota. Go to Asian car to narrow down. If you don't see it, write down Toyota. I want to see if it has it. If it doesn't have it, that means we cannot do it. Please release the parking brake. Please release the parking brake. I release the parking brake. I will say okay. Okay, so it has it. Turn the ignition off. You see? Yes, it has it. You see here? It's blinking. That means we are in a service mode. I try another tools, it doesn't do. But this one, turning the ignition switch on, replace and click proceed. Okay. I'm turning the ignition off. Okay. And now I will do the brake. After I do the brake, then I will, you see here also it's blinking. I will do the brake, and after I finish the brake, I will turn the ignition on and continue to put it back. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is one way, but another way also is available that you can use this button here. You can use this button here. Is a certain way. I will do it in a video, the second video. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share. I was able to do it with the Autel Elite or Extra.